Hi again. Good day, everyone. I am Kate Dayansab from BACOM Block 1. So, I will present to you the communication and its types, understanding the process and importance. So, what is communication? Communication, it is the process of exchanging ideas and information, involves sender, message, and receiver, uses spoken, written, or visual symbols, aims to create understanding and meaning, occurs everywhere home, schools, or workplaces, connects people and build relationship, and foundation of social and professional life. Elements of communication. Sender, originator of the message. Message, information, idea, or feelings is shared. Encoding, turning idea into words or sign language. Channel, medium used to transmit message. Receiver, person who interprets the message. Feedback, response that shows understanding. And noise, barriers that affect communication. The communication process starts with an idea from the sender, encodes and sends through a chosen one. Receiver decodes and interprets the message. Feedback ensures mutual understanding. Continuous and two-way interaction may face barriers or misunderstanding. Effects process builds clear connections. Types of communication: verbal, spoken or written words; nonverbal, gestures, tones, and expression; visual, images, charts, and symbols; formal, structured, professional communication; informal, casual or everyday interaction. Each type serves unique process and enhances clarity and understanding. So let's proceed to verbal communication. Uses spoken or written language, common in meetings, classes, or conversation, promotes clarity and direct expression, can be formal or informal style, requires correct grammar and pronunciation, strengthened by tone and body language, builds trust through clear interaction. So, nonverbal communication expresses feelings without spoken word, includes gestures, postures, and facial expression. Eye contact shows interest and sincerity. Tone and movement reveals emotions. Supports or contradicts verbal message. Culturally influenced and situation based, and strengthens emotional understanding. Visual communication uses images, signs, and charts, simplifies complex data or messages. Examples are posters, infographics, and presentations, attractive and easy to remember, used in education, media, and business, improves comprehension and retention, and visual enhance learning and engagement. Next, purpose of communication: to inform, share facts and knowledge, to persuade, influence through an action, to motivate, inspire others to achieve goals, to entertain, provide joy and amusement, to build relationships, strengthens connection, to solve problems, find better solutions, and to promote understanding, create cooperation. The importance of communication helps express thoughts and emotions, build teamwork and cooperation, improves decision making and leaders, strengthens relationship and social skills, enhances confidence and self expression, needed in education, businesses, and data, key to success and personal growth. Next is barriers to communication. Physical, noise, distance, and poor connection. Psychological, stress, emotional, language, different dialects or meaning. Cultural, beliefs and traditional vary. Semantic, misinterpretation of words. Technical, poor media or signal issue. Overcome barriers with patience and clarity. Effective communication tips. Listen actively and attentively. Speak clearly and confidently. Use simple and meaningful words. Maintain eye contact and posture. Be respectful and open minded. Give and accept constructive feedback. Adjust message the audience needed. That's all. Thank you.